Okay, for the zucchini bread, we're going to start with the dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour here. To it, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, grinded up, 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Also, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you're using a table salt, I would recommend using about a 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to stir all this up together. Get it well blended, mixed in. Okay, now we're going to start with our wet ingredients. I have 3 eggs here. We're going to whip up or beat. And to this, I'm going to add a cup of butter. You could use oil. I just rather use butter. So I'm going to dump that in. It's like room temperature. I'm going to whip that in there. Whip it fine with those eggs. And we're going to add a cup of sugar. White sugar. And we'll whip that in. Not done yet. We're going to add a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to whip that in. And to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're going to whip that. Okay, we're going to grate up 2 zucchinis. And to our wet ingredients, we're going to add our zucchini. 2 cups of shredded zucchini. Switch to our spoon. Get that well coated in there. Get that nice and incorporated, and we're going to add this to our dry ingredients. Keep it moving, keep it flowing, keep it flowing, keep it moving. All right. We'll mix that well together. We don't want to mix it really, really good. We just want a good mix in there. So we'll mix that around. Get all that flour incorporated. Oh, the smells and aroma. Smells like the holidays. And to this, we're going to add some nuts. What I did is I toasted some walnuts, about 1.5 cups in the oven, 350 for 10 minutes. It brings out the aroma and the flavor. So we're going to add that to our mixture and mix it in. And what we're going to do here is going to make 2 loaves. So what you could do is preheat your oven to 350 and bring out 2 bread pans or 2 glass bread pans, whatever. And we're going to divide these up into 2. I grease my pans with butter. You could also, for a quicker thing, use some cooking spray. So what we're going to do is divide these into two, equal proportions, as best as we can. Alright, this looks pretty good. They're about equal size. We're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. Okay, these are done. We're gonna take them out and we'll put them on a cooling rack for 1 hour. Okay, we'll let these cool off for about an hour, then we'll cut into them and let you know how they taste. Okay, the zucchini bread is all done, and look at it, it's beautiful, it's great. I have little hands here to test it out. Test that out. See how it is. How is it?
Good. Really good.
Yes, it is. I had a little piece before, and it's not as oily as the other ones with the butter. It gives it a little more flavor, so I would substitute the oil with butter. All right, keep it moving, keep it flowing.